Okay guys, we're getting a special tour by a special lady here.
What's up everybody? This is Miss Aquila and I want to show you our newest model 2019, the beautiful 32. It's perfect for any family out there that just want to go out, get some memories going, or maybe just a client that wants to entertain in clientele. So come with me, I'm going to show you the boat. Sir, what did you think? Did you like the boat?
Oh, very nice.
Good, good. Okay, well, let me show you what it's all the hype's about. So, as you see, look at these bad boys we have here.
You know this goes down?
More than enough space so that you can just lounge around, relax. Dinners, lunches, fruit bowls, everything and anything you need to make this just experience memorable, beautiful, and enjoyable, which is the most important part. And it's also kid friendly. This boat was designed for families of 4 with kids, newborn babies. Everything is accessible. As you see over here, this is obviously where the captain would sit. I'm not the captain, but if I was, I would be riding this bad boy like no other because everything is basically automated and just electrified. How would you say it? Not electrified, more like, how would you call it, Fresco? Like just easy to run.
Yes, electronic wise, I guess.
Electronic wise, everything is up to date for you. So you don't even need to go to school to be a captain. You just need to know how to handle all of this. And as you see, everything is there, labeled, beautiful. And what I love about this boat is the lights. There's neon lights everywhere. There's 2 cabins. So you can have one for the kids, one for the family. If you want, let's go in. And as you see, woo! So like I said, cabin here, you have a window, access window to the water if you want to open it, air, whatever it is. So let's keep this tour going. You have the restroom. And it also includes a shower. And then this is my favorite part of the boat, which is the front. I love it very much. Very spacious, just everything and anything you need. Have a seat, have a seat. Just imagine like us riding to any part of the world that you want to go, or maybe you just want to go to the Keys with your family. It's just ideal, it's perfect. A lot of leg space, you know, it doesn't matter if you're 6'5", maybe 5'2", a shorty like me, but this is just ideal for you. And I love, you know what I love about this boat? I mean, just look at this. Like, just imagine riding around with the kids, having a good old time. It's the ideal boat for any family member out there. So let's come on in here. Oh, I didn't show you the best part. We have the refrigerator here. We also, I believe here, look. So for all my people, my Latinos that like to make churrasco and sausages y toda esa vaina, this is perfect for you guys because you could cook here, and then at the same time, once you're done using it, you just make it go away. As well as here, we have extra storage space unit. So you see, if you want to fill it up with beers, ice, however you want to roll. I love it. I love it. And then I didn't show you the best part, which I think is the best part. These stairs.
Oh, they go down.
Yes.
Super cool.
Yeah, super, super, super cool. So if you definitely want to take this out, any type of ocean, it's just ideal. And believe it or not, it has a little speed on it. You know, with these bad boys over here, you can't go wrong. So this is what I love about the 32, but I want to show you the other boats. Follow me.
We're getting a full tour.
So now I want to focus on the 44. The 44 is the mega yacht. Everybody loves it. It's ideal. I mean, it's just perfect. What did you think of the 44?
Yeah.
Nice, right?
Absolutely.
That's beautiful. So what I love about the 44, you got to keep in mind, it's a catamaran, but at the same time, it has yacht-like features. So you feel like you're in a yacht. So follow me. Be careful with this over here. So what I love about this, if you have like a small little motorboat that you want to trail along with you, jet skis, doesn't matter. It carries it for you so you can go any part of the world. You see, just look at the design, the details, the flooring. Absolutely gorgeous, stunning. This is where you would be having lunch, dinner, celebrating with champagne, wine, any type of celebration. What I love about this table is that you also have your cup holders here. So you could place your cup holders while you're there with your friends. Or you could decorate it the way we did to show you a bit more of an upscale presentation. Let's go this way since it's a little crowded here. So, what I love about these stairs, as you can tell, these are stairs that you would see in a house. They're not super wide or shallow. Follow me. And then this is just absolutely gorgeous. Let's start with this over here first. So, obviously on the upper deck, another beautiful seating arrangement with a table. I love the lights, everything. As you see over here, you can cook your churrasco, your sausage steak, whatever the case is. You know, you also have a sink available to you, maybe you're skinning some fish, things like that. So this is just absolutely beautiful. Everything here is just designed to make it work for you guys. I really do enjoy it, love it. As you see the ceiling as well, you have more than enough space. So even if you're 6'5", I promise you, you'll be fine. So another thing I want to show you is obviously where the captain runs the boat. Hi! Pretty girl. So this is obviously where the captain would be. I mean, just look at this. Everything is designed for you. You don't need to go to school. You just need to learn how to run your boat. This is what I love about it. Everything is very clear as far as the approach of what they wanted to do. They wanted to make it easy for a wife, a husband, an aunt, anyone that wanted to just learn how to ride the boat, they can definitely do. Now, come this way. You have seating on both sides of the captain. Now, this is one of the best features. As you can tell, from the upper dock, we're able to go to the front of the boat. Follow me. And it's just absolutely gorgeous. It's safe. Look at this, look at this. And voila, you're in the front of the boat just like that. So here, obviously, for all the people, the ladies that want to just tan, have a good time. It's ideal. This is ideal for anybody, for a family, for a group of friends that want to go party. If you want to like invite some of your clientele, have about like 10 to 20 people here, you can definitely do it. We also have these custom-made chairs that come along with it. I mean, it's just the spacing in this is what I love the most. Underneath here, you have storage as well. A lot of storage units that this boat comes with, you know. Remember, when you're traveling for long periods of time, you definitely want more than enough storage to pack everything in so you don't have to keep stopping and getting things. So if you follow me, we're gonna go back into the inn. So one thing about Aquila, we get the best reviews. We have never had a client complain or say that, you know, they didn't get their money's worth. Everything here is top-notch, valuable. That's what we offer, that's what we specialize in. So let me show you. Oh, if you look on the floor as well, openings, like I said, access in every direction, so ideal. Now I just want to show you the kitchen. We have some space. So what I love about this is just, let's start with the steak. More than enough space if you want to cut, you know, fruits, vegetables, you want to season your meat. A lot of storage unit in this boat. This is storage, 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 storage. If you look over here to the right, refrigerator, freezer, storage, everything is just built so that you guys can go away for a long period of time, which is the most important part. If you come with me this way, I just want to show you one of the places. So look at this. Look how much space we have in here. It's not like the 32. Remember, the 32 was designed for a family of 4. This is designed for multiple families, couples that are going abroad that want to have a good time. So a lot of bed space. You also have your own restroom in here as well, so you're not in everybody's business. You have your own. And another window opening, more storage, storage, storage. So that's what I love about the Kilo 44, that they really do specialize in making this like a mini home, so you could go on adventures. If you come this way, I also forgot to mention, more storage. Storage everywhere you go on this boat. It's absolutely amazing. If you follow me, excuse me, sorry.
There is an option. You can
storage below, more storage. This is obviously the master. Just take a look at this. This is just stunning. It's beautiful. Like I said, you want to go away with your wife, have a good time, enjoy. This is the perfect boat that's not going to break your budget, but at the same time, it's going to give you quality-like features, and that's what we love. So, and you know what's crazy? If you buy the boat, you get everything as is. But don't tell them I told you that. I could lose my job. So, if we go down here, more storage, storage, and then this is the restroom. Look how spacious this is. So if you want to come in here, take a shower, a few people in here, you can make it work. And another window opening. Do you see it? Yes, it's beautiful. This is my favorite part. So for all the ladies out there, as a woman, we don't care where we're going. We constantly want to have our vanity here, and that's what they did. They've created a spot just for the ladies so that you could do your makeup, fix your hair, look beautiful, feel comfortable, have your jewelry to the side, and then the best part, more storage, and then behind over here, more storage. So remember, this boat was designed so that you can fit everything and anything you need. You don't have to make any more stops. It's the ideal boat, and right now it's only being sold for less than $1 million. And if you buy here at the boat show, it's $979. So $979,000, and you get all of this and more. I think that's a deal. I don't know about you, but you let me know. So follow me. We also didn't forget, look at this beautiful seating arrangement, dinner, family, friends, champagne, wine, whatever it is you want to do. And what I love about this table, you can make it smaller, you can downsize it if you don't want too much space to be taken, or if you want to leave it as is, you can as well. If you look over here, more storage, it's just ideal situation. Is this a refrigerator, Justin?
Yes, it is.
Another refrigerator, you know, so you can have access to it, and then obviously all this spacing, you can put whatever it is you like more. So if you guys are interested in the Kilo 44, all you have to do is subscribe to the Fresco channel, send them a message, and they'll redirect you our way. You could also visit our website, Facebook, Instagram, Aquila Boats. We are located in all the Marine Max stores all throughout the world. And once again, I'm just Miss Aquila. I'm not a yacht broker, but I'm a very knowledgeable girl when it comes to selling. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you also follow your dreams and buy a boat today. Don't wait any longer, okay? I'm gonna go back to work before I get fired, but I'll talk to you soon.
Alright, so I would really like to thank Carolina for taking us on a special tour of this gorgeous Aquila catamaran yachts. And guys, if you haven't been to the boat show, you should, because remember, it doesn't cost anything to dream, and you could board the beautiful yachts and check out the powerful center consoles. You gotta be prepared to take a long walk because it's a lot of walking. Guess what, guys? I ran into my good friend Alfonso from Atlantic Marine, and if you didn't go by their booth, make sure you check out their website because they got a new line of boats called Seaborn. And if you remember, we parked at the convention center, so we gotta take the bus all the way back. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on all your notifications so you can get all the new uploaded videos. And remember to watch all 4 videos of the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show.